Hello everyone. In the previous video, we understood the difference between relevancy and admissibility. Now the next important question is how does law decide which facts are relevant? Section 5 to 11 of Indian Evidence Act answers the question. These sections explain different types of connections between facts. The court does not randomly accept the facts. It checks whether the fact fits into any category mentioned in these sections. Only then it becomes legally relevant. So, in simple words, section 5 to 11 provide different doors through which a fact can enter the courtroom. For example, in a murder case, motive, preparation, conduct, identity, or even ability may become relevant, even though they are not the act of killing itself. Now, let us look at what is section 5 evidence of relevant facts only. Section 5 is the controlling section. It clearly says that evidence may be given only of facts in issue and relevant facts. This means irrelevant facts are completely excluded. This section ensures that the court focuses only on legally connected facts. It prevents unnecessary information from entering the trial and confusing the judge. So, before proving any fact, the court must check whether the fact falls under section 6 to 11. If it does not, it cannot be proved. For an example, in a theft case, proving the accused failed in school is not allowed. It has no connection with the theft. So, section 5 blocks it. The next one is section 6 facts forming part of same transaction. Res gestae. Section 6 makes facts relevant if they form part of the same transaction as the fact in issue. This means they must be connected in time, place, and continuity with the main event. The principle behind section is called res gestae. It means that court can consider statements or acts that are part of the same story of the incident. The idea is simple here. When events are so closely connected that they form one continuous story, they should not be separated. Example, if during a stabbing the victim shouts, "He is stabbing me," that statement becomes relevant. It is made at the same time and forms part of the same transaction. Now let's look at section 7 and 8 cause, effect, motive, preparation, and conduct. Section 7 firstly makes fact relevant if there are cause or effect of the facts in issue. It also includes facts that provide opportunity for the act. Section 8 makes motive, preparation, and conduct relevant. Motive explains why a person committed the act. Preparation shows a planning before the act. Conduct shows behavior before or after the act. These sections help the court understand the background of the crime, not just the final act. For example, if a person buys poison before someone is poisoned, that purchase becomes relevant as preparation under section 8. Section 9 to 11 says identity, conspiracy, and inconsistent facts. Firstly, section 9 makes facts necessary to explain or identify person or objects relevant. For example, identification parades are covered under this section. Section 10 deals with conspiracy. If there is a reasonable ground to believe that two or more persons are involved in a conspiracy, their acts and statements relating to that conspiracy becomes relevant. Section 11 makes facts relevant if they are inconsistent with the fact in issue or make it highly probable or improbable. Example, if the accused proves that he was in another city at the time of the crime, this fact becomes relevant under section 11. This is called ability. The final summary, understanding the relevant facts. Section 5 to 11 together explains different ways in which facts become legally relevant. They provide a structured system to connect facts with the main issue of the case. The code does not rely only on direct evidences, it also considers surrounding circumstances like motive, preparation, conduct, identity, conspiracy, and consistent facts. For example, in a murder case, motive, that is section 8, preparation, that is section 8, last seen evidence, that is section 6, and ability, section 11, all becomes relevant under different provisions. In the next video, we will study section 6, that is Gestae, in detail and understand how facts forming part of part of the same transaction becomes relevant. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. All the best for your exams.